Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Yamaha R-Max 4-seater R-Spec. It's not very often you come across one of those products that's under 20 bucks and is a must-have. Well, you've got that with the Warren Hook bump stop. This bump stop's going to prevent that annoying clanging sound you've got going down the trail. It allows the hook to be pulled tight up against the fairlead. It's going to help prolong the hook and the rope or cable as well. This one is from Warren. There are other brands available. We do like the Warren brand. We think it looks good. It's rugged. Installation is easy. You don't even need to take your hook off if you don't want to. You can undo those 4 bolts and just loosen 2 of them actually and slide it in. There are other ones again that you can undo your hook and slide it through. They don't unbolt, and you could do that with the Warren one as well. It's simply a 4mm Allen and a 10mm on the back. Simple install. Once it's sucked there against the machine, you're not going to have all that annoying rattling going down the trail. You're going to hear it pull tight. And there you have it. Looks awesome on there. Again, it's not going to sit there and clank. You can't pull it too tight. Well, I guess you could if you just kept on pulling it in, but why would you do that? But you'll be able to hear it start pulling tension, letting you stop. And again, you're not going to be hearing that clinking going down the trail as it's banging off the rest of the machine. Again, one of those must-haves under 20 bucks. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll have a link to our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports, where you can go online and get one coming today. We do have them in stock ready to go. Any brand of winch, these will work on. You got to have one. 435-427-3338. Have a great day, everybody.